year is 2026, and in the ever-changing landscape of smartphones and foldable displays, one name quietly yet powerfully makes a return that stirs a sense of nostalgia and reliability in the hearts of many. That name is Nokia. The 2026 Nokia Button Mobile is not just another device in the market. It's a symbol, a bold statement that simplicity and durability can still have a place in the fast-paced digital era. This mobile phone is designed with a clear purpose: to serve users who value dependability, physical buttons, long battery life, and distraction-free communication. The body of the 2026 Nokia Button Mobile is crafted from high-quality polycarbonate that feels firm and solid in the hand. Unlike modern glass slabs that demand delicate handling, this phone invites the user to be carefree. It can take falls, scratches, and rough usage, just like the classic Nokia phones that once ruled the world. Available in multiple color options including classic black, sky blue, deep green, and a new metallic gray, it appeals to both the nostalgic and the new generation seeking a digital detox. This phone features a tactile keypad with raised, well-spaced buttons that offer a satisfying click with every press. For elderly users or those with large fingers, this feature alone becomes a compelling reason to own the device. Navigating the menus, typing messages, and dialing numbers becomes effortless and precise. The central navigation button is a familiar four-way directional pad with a middle select key, giving users complete control over the interface without the need for swipes or taps on glass. The display is a 2.8-inch QVGA color screen that delivers decent brightness and legibility, even under direct sunlight. While it doesn't compete with OLED displays in terms of vibrance or resolution, it doesn't need to. The screen does exactly what it's meant to do: provide clear and simple visibility for texts, icons, and menus. The display size is perfect for reading messages, viewing call logs, and navigating through the settings without straining the eyes. Under the hood, the phone runs on a light proprietary Nokia OS optimized for performance and battery life. There are no distracting apps, no invasive notifications, and no endless updates. It comes preloaded with essentials such as phonebook, SMS, FM radio, calculator, calendar, alarm clock, and a basic web browser. There is even support for essential apps like WhatsApp and Facebook Lite, tailored specifically for button navigation. These apps are optimized to provide core functionality without overloading the phone's modest hardware. The phone includes a rear camera of 5 megapixels, accompanied by an LED flash. While it's far from the powerful camera systems found in modern smartphones, it's enough to capture spontaneous moments, documents, or memorable scenes in reasonable quality. The camera app is simple and quick to load, with basic options like zoom, brightness control, and image storage location. There's also a VGA front camera for basic selfies and video calls through supported apps,